Hi guys! Today I am going to show you what's in our refrigerator. Okay, on this side we have some sour cream, kosher dill spears pickles, chopped garlic, ham glaze, Philadelphia cream cheese, Smucker's grape jelly, strawberry topping for ice cream, bottled water, milk, and the Kool-Aid coolers that my kids like to drink, Pepsi, Diet Pepsi, Coke, Capri Suns, Lunchables. We have some turkey ones and some ham ones. Tons of yogurt. The kids like the Ninja Turtles and Despicable Me. There's a mixture of strawberry and strawberry banana. Jason and I like Yoplait, and we like the peach and strawberry. On this side we have a bottle of Moscato. That's my favorite wine. A thing of ketchup, some Juicy Juice kiwi strawberry. Megan loves this stuff. Some Blue Bonnet butter, more bottled water, homemade sweet tea, and my kids say that this tastes better than McDonald's. We have some fruit down here. We have apple slices, strawberries, grapes. My kids love fruit. We have some cheddar cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, some cubed cheddar cheese, and some adult beverages, Mike's Hard Lemonade. In this drawer we have some oranges, some lettuce, and some celery. In this drawer we have peaches, chocolate pudding, some nectarines, and a bag of carrots. Down here we have some pepperoni sticks, cheese sticks, Swiss cheese, honey ham, oven roasted turkey breast, hard salami, cucumbers from my father-in-law's garden, tomatoes from the garden, some more tomatoes that I bought at the store, more tons and tons of cheese sticks. I buy those in bulk because my kids go through them really fast. On this side we have some American cheese and hot dogs, Frank's Red Hot sauce, and this one is steak sauce. This is really good dressing. It's Olive Garden Italian dressing. I buy it at Sam's Club. And what's this one? Open Pit Barbecue and Sweet Baby Ray Barbecue. I really like Sweet Baby Ray's. Some French's mustard, Parmesan cheese, Miracle Whip, some more Sweet Baby Ray's, another bottle of wine that was given to Jason as a graduation gift from our friend, but we haven't tried it yet, but we will. Ranch dressing, a couple more of the Kool-Aid splashers, some more mustard, not sure why there's two in there, some syrup, and some apple pucker. I had bought that when I made Jell-O shots for Jason's graduation party. Down here we have some cinnamon rolls, Pillsbury cinnamon rolls, sweet midgets, some relish. These are some medicines for my RA, and compared to the same stuff as Imodium AD, so must have had that when one of us wasn't feeling good. Then down here you pull out our freezer, and guys, there's way too much stuff to dig out of the freezer, so I'm just gonna kind of show you just a little bit. Ice cream sandwiches, chicken strips that I like to put in salad, ice, dinosaur chicken nuggets, popsicles, pancakes and sausage on a stick, chicken quesadillas, let's see, French toast sticks, waffle fries, some vanilla ice cream, pork chops, steak, boneless skinless chicken breast, pancakes, cheddar and bacon potato skins, some more seasoned fries, some bagels, corn on the cob. Jason really likes these Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. They're easy for him to put in his lunch and heat up at work. So we got some garlic toast. Those are cherries that Jason froze. Here's a ice pack. I had knee surgery a few years ago, so every once in a while it'll hurt and I'll have to put that on there. Ooh, cookie dough ice cream. I forgot I had that. Chicken pot pies. Some more frozen fruit. Some hot dogs. Broccoli. Potato and cheddar pierogies. Some meatballs. Some more ice packs. And yeah, there's a ton of other things. But that is what is inside our refrigerator. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time.